Hey everyone, welcome back to Friend Hobby, my channel. This is Friend. Today, present to you the Gundam Crossbone. So I have a variety of different Gundam Crossbone. I think I got most of the different varieties. This one is the hardest to get. I actually got this from Japan. They ship it from Japan, and it's open already. I think maybe the costume they have to check for it. So let's get started. Let's put this at the later part as a teaser, and let's get to it. So this is the most plain one. This one is a black one, and the silver one. So I guess we'll do this in order. Here, let's start with the classic. So I have no idea regarding to this set. I mean, not this Gundam, the background story, but yeah. This Gundam is designed with like a pirate style in mind. You got to take care of those audience. So you can see a lot of skeleton elements in the design for this kit. Simpler. I was just opening up the Freedom earlier. That is very complex. So this is probably being stored for a long time, so you see some dust on it. I need to clean it off. So here's the head. Just put on the antenna. Oh shoot! Antenna with the skeleton here. And then his gun. His gun looks like it's white, looks like a skeleton as well. And then his I'm not sure what this is. It's not a wing type of thing, but you know, gives him some cosmetic flavor. There you go. Boom, 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 quick and easy. We're finished. All that was quick compared to what I was doing with Freedom. Alright, here you go, the crossbow. So this is the crossbow X1. Yes, here's the back. Right. Let's move on to the next one. The black one is the crossbow X2. It's a black color. Sorry, dark color. Just in case there's today is actually Martin Luther Day, Martin Luther Day. So the US, they're not working, so yeah, I work for a US company, so we kind of follow along the lines of the US holidays. So when they're not working, I'm just chilling. Yeah. Alright, so here's the body. I like the color better than the original. Yeah, I like dark stuff. Yeah. Does that mean I'm racist? No, not necessarily, just preference. Here. Cool, looking really good. I think everyone is subject to their preferences. There's no one better than the other. It's just on which one do you prefer? Which one do you like better? Alright, also very quick. So his weapon is a sword, not a gun, for this one. Go. And then the antenna is a little bit different, as you can see. Alrighty, we're moving along fairly quickly. Happy with that? Now the silver one. Silver one looks cool. Alright, let's get to it. I have a good feeling that I would really like the silver one. Okay, so the silver one is the new one because it has like the really big book stand instead of the smaller ones. Open it. Alrighty. Oh, you can see like the silver one is a lot newer, right? The back of his the bone thing is a lot more articulate. You can see the body ratio as well. It's a lot more ratio better, right? All right, so let's put him together. The easy parts, and his antenna, which also has a skull in it. Wow, looks really good. Quite satisfied. Let's put on his sword. It's a double sword. Here it is, and then put it as a weapon. And on his pedestal, not pedestal, foot stand. Here we go. Looking really good. And those are his little brothers, so he's just put it aside like that. Alrighty, last and not the least, the main one, the biggest one, the hardest one to get. Let's get to him. So it's already opened. So all the components are not open. So I'm just thinking maybe it's just because of the custom thingy. They have to check for if you're snuffling like drugs and stuff over the custom, I guess. Alright. He looks a lot more complex to build. I'll need the instruction manual. Seriously, I'm talking about nonsense here. I don't know any of these. I don't give any context. I just review how they look. Alright, so this is the main body. The main body sort of have the classic look, but it has a lot more different components. So even the legs are separate. So it's kind of interesting. Not sure why. Okay. So I do not see I do see a foot stand. Put everything together first. His arm. Go. So as you can see, he's already a lot taller than the original one kids, but he's like the similar aspect ratio as the silver one. And I guess you can put a lot of the shield onto him. I guess this is how you put it here in the front. Yeah, let me put these. So these are blocked by ways. This. Ready? So here's the front cape thingy. I guess the side, these are the back cape, I guess. Put it like this. Also sort of his wings, I guess. It'll be a little bit of pain putting on the weapon on him. because of the capes. I'll figure out. Okay, there we go, and let's get to his weapons. He has a lot of weapons. Let's cut it. Let's put it back a little bit so I don't cut anything. I shouldn't cut. Alright, everything's out. Okay, so here kind of a list of weapons. So he gave an extra facial piece. And also, that's why they need to separate the legs, because this leg has its weapons. You can see, if you can see. Focus. Yeah, there's like a spike here. I don't like this. And they provide two swords. One sword with a spike, one sword without, and I'll decide later which one I want. And then the skeleton back. Let's put it directly. There's no doubt what to put. Alright. So I guess I'm gonna change his headpiece to the better looking one. Okay, so the headpiece goes off like this. Here's the armor, and then I put this in the sick headpiece. Alrighty, here it is. Then put it back on him. Alrighty, so I guess I'm gonna put all his weapons on. His gun. Oh, almost broke his gun. It's not easy to. Alrighty, here I put the gun in. The gun has to be shadowed by its cape. And next thing is to put a sword. I decided to use this sword because it's more iconic for him to use this sword. Because, yeah, Crossbone Gundam. Alright, here we have it. So he comes with a stand to elevate him higher than the rest of the pack. And this is the foot stand. And just put it on here. Wow, looking sick. Besides everyone else. Oh shoot. And the video's well over 13 minutes now. Alrighty. So here are the different Crossbone Gundams. You can see I really like the silver one. The silver one is like concise and I think the most well built. Not sure why there's like a different quality for a different kit, but yeah. So here you have it, and hope you like these Crossbone Gundam. I certainly enjoyed them, and if you like the kit, and let me know in the comment down below, and if you like the video, like, and see you guys next time. Peace out. Thanks. Bye bye. Alright, here are all my Crossbone Gundams. They're sitting just around the corner with the Freedoms. Original Crossbone, the dark Crossbone, the silver Crossbone, and the complex crossbow. What is it called? Let me see quickly. It's the Crossbone X1 full cloth. Yeah, looking really good. Really enjoy them.